This is a video presentation of the Haas Super MiniMill. The spindle running right now. Crank it up a little. Okay, simulate a tool change. Next, we'll go ahead and run it through its paces. Okay. Do a quick walk around. It does have the floppy and we have the manual. It does have the RS-232 ports. Just to verify, this is serial number 29557, manufactured in 09 of 02. Let's get a quick look here. Vector drive. Does have the cover as well for the top, which is nice. We have the foot pads, and we have a the blocking bracket for it when it does ship, and we can load this machine. This concludes the video presentation of the Haas Super MiniMill.